The Red River hog, with its distinctive tufted ears and vibrant colors, brings a touch of whimsy to this forest. It's a reminder that joy can be found even in the darkest corners. Their antics offer a glimpse into the lighter side of life in the rainforest. The African forest buffalo, a symbol of strength and endurance, navigates the dense undergrowth with determination. Their presence is a testament to the wild, untamed spirit of the Congo. The gray parrot, with its intelligent eyes and playful demeanor, represents the vibrant avian life